I will upload videos until I become good at English. Good evening, guys. Today's topic is about prices in the Philippines. Do you think prices in the Philippines are cheap or expensive? I compare Japan and the Philippines. First, Starbucks short Americano. Japan is 174 pesos. Philippines is 165 pesos. Second, McDonald's hamburgers. Japan is 68 pesos. Philippines is 47 pesos. Most chain stores have the same prices, but local restaurants are very cheap in the Philippines. Local restaurants in the Japan are very expensive. So if you come to the Philippines, go to the local restaurant. You can eat for between 100 pesos and 2000 pesos per meal. Thank you for watching the videos. See you again.